Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Nick Denzer from Team Pharma Navigator, and today I'm going to show you how the Pharma Navigator works. So, what is the Pharma Navigator? Number one, it is an algorithm-based CDMO matching platform connecting biotech and pharmaceutical companies with CMOs and CDMOs pertaining to their project. I like to say it's a double-sided equation, because there's two paths we can take. We can either take the biotech and CMC lead path or the path for CDMOs. So let's say we've gone ahead and we've created an account as a biotech company and we are looking for the right CDMO or CMO match. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the Find CDMO page and we're going to fill out this extensive questionnaire about our project. So number one, what are you developing? Let's say we're developing a small molecule or biologics project. What specific services do you need under those umbrellas? We'll say API manufacturing, bioassays and potency testing, biosimilars, drug product formulation, and formulation development. What stage are we currently in? Let's say we're in the phase 3 stage. And what kind of support do we need? Well, we need feasibility studies, process development, method development, tech transfer, scale-up support, and full manufacturing, and regulatory support. What batch size do you expect to need? So let's say clinical scale. And what type of partner are you looking for? So are we looking for a startup-friendly and flexible CDMO or a large-scale pharma manufacturer? So we'll go with mid-sized biotech specialist. Do we require any certifications for regulatory? We'll say FDA, EMA, and let's do Health Canada. How soon do you expect to begin your project, or would you like to? We'll say maybe 3 to 6 months. And if there's anything else you would like to know, we would like to know about your project, please include it there. So here are my top 5 matches. We have Endenzer CDMO with a 90% match, Pharma with a 75% match, Avid Bioservices with a 66% match, and Abzena with a 69% match. So what we can actually do here is we can hover over this percentage match and actually see the breakdown of why this match. So we'll see exactly where it works and where it doesn't work. So we see Endenzer CDMO has a 90% match. They're missing a couple of detailed services. Pharma, they're missing quite a few things here, and etc. The cool thing is if this match isn't exactly what we're looking for and it's missing a couple things, we can go to Customize My Priorities, and we can actually go ahead and adjust the matching algorithm. So let's say certifications are really important. We'll bump that up to a 5. Batch size is crucial for us, as well as speed to start. And we'll turn all the other things down. So that'll go ahead and adjust the results if there is a better match for us. And the cool thing about this algorithm is that it works better and better with the more CMOs and CDMOs that we have in the platform. So the user can get a very hyper-specific match for their project. But let's say we want to go ahead and work with Endenzer CDMO. We have a 98% match, almost perfect. See a little bit of information about the company. Looks excellent. All right. So we want to work with them. We're going to go ahead and request a warm introduction to Endenzer CDMO. So awesome. That introduction request has been sent. Now on the biotech side, I can go ahead and go to my dashboard and I can see all of my warm introduction requests sent. I can see the ones that were accepted, the ones that are pending, and the ones that have been declined. And I can go over here and see the one we just sent. I can view the details. I see the capabilities of the company, the target clients they work with, the batch sizes they work with, the certifications they have, development stages they support, as well as the timeline of when that request was sent and when it was accepted or denied, or if it's pending. Now we're going to switch over to the CDMO side. So from the CDMO dashboard, I can see who has sent introduction requests. So, okay, I see right here. Denzer62 has sent me a warm introduction request. I can see what company he's at, what stage they're currently in, as well as their email address if I'd like to reach out to them outside of the platform. Currently, this is pending. I just received that introduction request, and I can see their project requirements. So the product type is small molecule or biologics. The services needed, API manufacturing, bioassays and potency testing, biosimilars, etc. The development stage they're currently in, and the batch size they're looking for, as well as the timeline they're looking for. So ultimately, if I look at this project and I say, okay, this is perfect for our capabilities, this is exactly the kind of project we're looking to undertake, this is a very hot lead for us, I'm going to go ahead and accept that warm introduction request. Once that warm introduction request has been sent, we can directly start a conversation through the platform. So we'll say, hey, let's start our kickoff meeting on, or whatever feels natural at the time. We can also go ahead and give feedback on the client. So we can rate our experience with the client, and the client can rate their experience with your CDMO. So that is a quick taste of how the Pharma Connect Navigator works. Our ideal situation is accelerating that timeline from initial connection to contract, and hopefully accelerate the timeline of these new biotech and pharmaceutical companies' treatments going to market and saving lives. Thank you very much.